The model picked a sultry green dress out while doing some home organizing. She looked simply radiant in the low-backed gown, which put her curves on full display. Jordyn Woods, 24, is an expert at sexy style, never failing to nail a daring look during a date night or red carpet. But the California beauty proved she could make any moment glamorous when she pulled out a super sexy dress to try on during some regular chores. "Cleaning out my closet in my at Fashion Nova," the stunner, who is an ambassador for the brand, wrote while wearing a little green number on her Instagram February 16. Jordyn looked amazing as she slipped her curves into a shimmering, backless Fashion Nova number, which she showed off at every angle. While posing in front of a white, seamless backdrop, Jordyn's frock dipped toe solo, showing off all her toned back while framing the top of her shapely derriere. The star, who is dating 26-year-old NBA hunk Karl Anthony Towns, reached her hands over her head seductively and leaned back slightly, letting her short locks cover a delicate tattoo on her upper spine. Another shot showed the glowing Jordyn running her hands through her hair while her dress hugged her hourglass figure and revealed her midriff with its bold back cut. The photos finished with the fashionista posing to the side reveal a sexy glimpse of her side boob. Related gallery. Jordyn Woods, pics. Life seems to be going great for the former Kardashian/Jenner insider, who famously broke away from the famous family after she and Khloe Kardashian's ex Tristan Thompson were caught up in a hookup scandal back in 2019. She was seen kissing the basketball player when he was still reportedly involved with baby mama Khloe. Though Jordyn faced endless bullying and scrutiny over the situation, she revealed how she rose above the hate during an August 2021 episode of MTV's Cribs. "I truly believe the only person who can cancel you is God, and God isn't going to cancel you," she told the cameras while touring them around her Southern California mansion. "Sounds blessed."